Hello and welcome to this QuadPro TV video. Today we will be showing you how to use the operative interface in the web portal.
To log on to the request portal, enter the logon credentials you have been provided by your state manager. First, enter your username, then enter your password, and then click the sign in button. Once you have successfully logged in, you're presented with a list of jobs you have been assigned to. You can click on the calendar icon to see the job request that you have been assigned to complete today. By clicking on the job request number, you are taken to the job request displaying all the information about the job request that you've been assigned to complete today. You can click the magnifying glass next to the building to view the building plans. You can click the print icon to print the job request. Click the print button. To navigate back to the job request details page, you can close the print page tab in your browser. To complete the job request, you can fill in the action taken field drop down and the action taken notes. So here I will set the action taken to job completed. The job was to find out why the hand dryer has stopped working in the girls' toilet. As you can see, the field unaccompanied access allowed has not been ticked. Therefore, before I can complete this job, I must get permission to go into the girls' toilet by the requester who raised the job request. So once I have permission and I'm on site and I have completed the job, I can then fill in the sections which are relevant to myself, which as I am the operative. So first I set the action taken to job completed. I can add some notes in the action taken notes. So needed placing, and I can set the action complete checkbox, and I can tick this box to say I've completed this job. This automatically sets the date completed field for me. Now I can set the hours of how long the job took me to complete. I can set this to 1 hour, and then I press the update button. This has now saved my changes, and it has informed the requester that I have completed the job. To navigate back to the list page, I can go to the main menu and click the request link. You'll now see that the status of the job request I have just completed is now set to yes. To log out of the request portal, I navigate back up to the main menu and click the logout button.